Today we are creating some art with crayon. For those who have pastels, you are more than welcome to use those instead. We're going to start off with a blank page of paper, and it doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can use just plain old printer paper. It depends on how detailed you feel like getting with this. You can experiment with different materials. I just used printer paper. We're going to start by just coloring. It does not matter. I did some lines going across the paper, but you can totally mix and match, get as creative as you want. Again, if you're using pastels, they are actually sometimes going to work a little bit better for this project because of the overcoat we're actually going to do in a minute. But you want to cover the entire page and get that as solid as possible. Crayons are easier. They're one of the things that I know most people have just kind of lying around, so feel free to use those. They still work. But get creative, have some fun with the colors. Now we're going to start layering. So now, whether you're using crayons or pastels, you want to do a layer of black, but it needs to get darker than this. So I do one coat of black like this, so it's nice and light and it starts to cover it. But then I'm going to dig in deep with a dark set of black, and this is where pastels work better. I used crayons for this, but if you want a deep black on top, the pastels are the way to go. Either way, again, it works. But we want it nice and solid, and then you're going to be able to scratch this off and create your own art. So it's a fun scratch off design. I used like a mechanical pencil that I retracted the lead from, so I had a bit more detail in it. You can use just a penny or a quarter or whatever and scratch off some of the black and create your own artwork. I hope you have fun with this project, and again, just create a piece of dance art for the day. I will see you tomorrow.